What is up, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome to TradeFlare Knowledge, the exclusive series designed to walk you through options trading and how to use TradeFlare to profit off the stock market. So today we're talking about support and resistance and how you can use them with the daily watch list to find the most profitable entry points on a daily basis. Now, what are support and resistance and why do we use them in trading? Support and resistance are two extremely important aspects of interpreting quality entries in the options trades. The best part is that they are two very simple concepts and are mirror opposites of each other. Support is a name of a price level that a stock does not fall below unless there is serious doubts about the outlook in the company performance, highly influential negative news, or a period of serious selling volume. The idea behind this is actually pretty simple. For a given window of time, there is a price level for almost all stocks that investors view it as worthy of buying. For instance, if Apple's support level is $122, then investors' consensus opinion is that Apple is at least worth $122 for a given point in time. And so investors will purchase at this level because they see it as a discount. You can think of it as a strong price floor that constitutes a high level of demand at the support price. Buyers tend to step in at this level, and this can create a figurative bounce in price. Resistance is the exact opposite. It is the price level that is seen as the price ceiling for a given point in time. In other words, if investors believe Apple is at most worth $135, then when the price of Apple stock approaches $135, investors will typically sell their shares since they view this price level as a bit too hot or overpriced at the time being. Smart and resourceful traders make use of these two levels to make entries into plays. If we see a stock break below its support level, there's almost always going to be a gap down, which is essentially a linear free fall until investors establish the next price level of support. We watch for stocks to break below long-term support levels for entering puts to take advantage of these gap downs. On the other side, we watch for the stocks to break through their long-term price resistance for entering calls. When there's enough buy volume to make a stock break upwards through its resistance price level, the stock price typically tears upward until investors see it as overpriced. Over time, the law of demand determines the levels of support and resistance for a stock. Support and resistance levels change over time in reaction to market news, company-specific news, economic news, and quarterly earnings reports. So now that you have a foundation of knowledge with support and resistance, let's talk about how and where we can use this knowledge. Fortunately, TradeFlare makes it very simple and easy to track the tickers with the potential to break out through the daily watch list thread. Each day, this watch list will have a list of ticker symbols showing their support and resistance levels. This watch list suggests possible call options on resistance breaks and possible put options on support breaks. For this watch list to be the most beneficial for our family, shout out anytime you see momentum towards these levels or if you see these levels break. Asking an owner is always a smart idea before you make a play. Remember, these levels are very important trading tools, but these levels breaking do not signal an automatic entry. There are a lot of other aspects that make up a good entry point. We'll be going over a lot more on entry points in future videos. For now, I'll give you a visual representation on how I would use the daily watch list by watching certain levels on my Thinkorswim charting platform. This wraps up this episode of TradeFlare Knowledge. If you found this video helpful, you may benefit from hitting the subscribe button so you can stay up to date with new educational videos and frequent market updates. If you're looking for a trading family or for a boost into the stock market, consider joining our live trading Discord that provides trade signals, one-on-one coaching from experienced traders, and all the live and educational resources you need to boost your trading to the next level. Use the link below to get a free week of TradeFlare services. And don't forget to keep waking up, keep growing, and don't stop until you get there.